Alright, boys and girls, today's lesson is lesson 5-10, and we're going to continue working with two-step problems. So, we're going to just fly through as many as we can get through, and whatever we don't finish, we're going to work back at our desks, at our stations, and if you happen to finish that, you can always go back and work on pages from earlier in this unit. So, it asks you to write an equation and then solve the problem. So, number 1 says Carrie sold 7 toys for 50 cents each and 1 toy for 75 cents. How much money in cents does Carrie make? Remember, in cents is the tricky part here. Okay? That is, it's asking you, it doesn't want dollars, it wants in cents. So an equation could be, you could do 7 times 50 plus 1 times 75 equals n. If you did 7 times 50, you get 350, plus 1 times 75 is 75. You add it together, you get 425 cents. So n would equal 425 cents. So number 2, it says Darren earns $8 each week doing chores. He is saving his money to buy a game that costs $49 and a cap that costs $15. How many weeks will Darren need to save money? Alright, so first you need to do this. You'll need to take 49 and add it to 15. And then you'll divide that by 8 because he's earning $8 each week. That'll tell you how many weeks it takes. Equals n. 49 plus 15 is 64. So 64 divided by 8 equals n. So anybody who knows their math facts should know that 64 divided by 8 equals 8. So n equals 8 weeks. Number 3, a dog trainer is working with 7 dogs. He rewards each dog with the same number of treats. He started with 35 treats and he has 7 left. How many treats did each dog get? I want you to try this on your own. And then unpause it and I'm going to go over what I think is the right answer. Alright, so hopefully you did something like 35 minus 7 divided by 7. So 35 minus equals n, first of all. 35 minus 7 is 28. Divided by 7 equals n. And 28 divided by 7 is 4. So n equals 4. 4 treats. Hopefully you came up with it some way, somehow. It doesn't. Your equation does not have to be just like mine. However you want to do it. But this is just an idea. Alright. So, number 4, Sheila has 2 dogs. One dog weighs 46 pounds and another dog weighs 14 pounds more. How many pounds do the 2 dogs weigh together? So, you would do something like this. You would say 46 pounds plus 46 plus 14 equals n. So, hopefully you got 46 plus 60 equals n, and then 100, or n would equal 104 pounds. That's big for the 2 dogs. Alright. Number 5, Eli has 36 stamps and his brother has 24 stamps. They put their stamps in the same book. They put the same number of stamps on each book. They used 10 pages. How many stamps are on each page? Well, first of all, you need to know that Eli and his brother have a certain amount of stamps together. So let's add those 2 together as part of our equation. And then they end up putting them on each page that had 10 pages. So 36 plus 24, well, first of all, this equals n. 36 plus 24 is 60. Divided by 10 equals n, and 10 goes into 60 6 times. So n equals 6, and it'd be 6 stamps on each page. Alright, so hopefully you got all that written down. I know there's still 5 minutes left. or there's several ways to go in the lesson, but you're going to be doing a lot of this on your own. So I want you to work on 6 through 10 on your own. What you don't finish, we'll talk about in small group. And if you happen to finish everything, go back in the other workbook pages that you might not have finished.